Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to change your profile picture on your PlayStation 5 account. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to go ahead and change your profile on your PlayStation 5 account to a custom image like the one I have on my screen right now? How would we go ahead and do that? If we do sign into our PlayStation 5 and we go up to our profile in the upper right and select this and go to profile, we can go over to the edit options right here. So go to edit profile. Then you can go to profile picture and select this. Now you want to go ahead and choose your profile, and you could upload your profile picture using the PlayStation app or from the website. Now there is a difference between a profile picture and an avatar. So if I go back to my profile right here, in the upper left, my profile picture can only be seen by my close friends. It can't be seen by everyone. Then right next to my name, YT YourSixStudios, is my avatar. Now my avatar will be seen by everyone who is not my close friends or not even my friend on the PlayStation. So they are completely separate. Now, to actually get a profile picture, you will have to go ahead and use the mobile app. So I have the mobile app on my phone. If you go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and just type in PlayStation app right on the top, go ahead and get this application, install it, then sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account, then open this up. And the PlayStation app is actually very convenient. You can see when your friends log in. You can join a party chat session from your phone as well. Now go ahead and just simply press your profile. So mine is Timble Slicin'. Let's go ahead and select my picture. Then go to edit profile and select that. Then we are going to be able to change our profile picture under this menu. Now you may have to sign back in again with your email address and password. But once you do, this is what you'll see. So let's go to profile picture and go to edit. And then go to change picture. And then go ahead and choose a picture off your phone and then add it to your PlayStation. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one right now. So let's choose this one with the Nintendo Switch in my hand. And select that. And then I can crop it and zoom in. So let's add this one and go to save. And press yes. And then add this. So my picture has been saved. Let's go to OK. And I can see it's changed on the mobile app. Let's go back over by PlayStation and just see if that has changed now. So it hasn't changed yet in the upper left. Let's go ahead and just back out. Maybe if I sign out and then sign back in. So it may take a while for it to actually change over. I can see it's uploaded on my PlayStation app, just not on my main account yet. But that is how you would go ahead and change your profile picture on your PlayStation 5. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.